Hey guys, welcome back to another video. You're seeing my recording software. Into this video, I've decided, so if you guys don't know from my recent Java videos, I don't have my skin on because it was some glitch. A lot of people have been experiencing this. I didn't know how to fix it, but I figured out a way to fix it. Okay? So this is like 100%, you don't have to do anything, and like nothing, you have to uninstall anything, it won't take forever. It's like 10 seconds, easy fix. Right? So what you want to do, you want to go to here, you want to type in control panel. Okay, if I know how to spell it. Thank you. And what you got to do is, because I already fixed this, I won't have the same thing as you. But go to default. Oh, wait, wait, hold on, my bad. Programs and features. And then you see uninstall or change a program. And then what you want to do, you want to scroll. Like, you want to just scroll down to there's two choices that you have to uninstall. There's programs that you have to uninstall, there's two. So the first one, I would think, the first one that I had, so I don't know if you guys gonna have it, but it's called relevant knowledge. It's in the R section, as long as you have it on named, organized by named. If you scroll down here, it should be in the R section, like right over here. But then there's other people, which I didn't have it, but it's called Premier option, like the Premier option, which should be in the P section. So all you have to do is just, uninstall. If you don't know how to do that, just hit right, left. I don't know my directions anymore. It's right click and then I'll say uninstall. Right click and I'll say uninstall. Or what you could do, just double hit it. Oh yeah, just double click it with the left trigger. Just double click left, and that would do it. And then as soon as you do that, you can load in to the Minecraft launcher. And because we're playing on the 1.60.2. Also, there's a fix for any of them. So if you want to play with any, yeah, basically. Okay, if it wants to load anytime. Okay, so it might take a while, but yes, you see, so the ones you can do is a temporary fix where you have to go to Task Manager and shut down the Minecraft launcher. It will work, but for me and for like everyone else, it will not show your skin because I just don't know why. It won't show your skin. If you look at all my other videos, I went to single player worlds, it did not show my skin. But, oh, oops. Okay, okay, just hold on, it needs to load real quick. Oh, that's fun. Okay, so if you see now, it shows my skin, and it doesn't say not responding. So, it's a simple, quite easy fix. Anyway, if you guys have any questions, like any exclamations, if it's not working for you, leave in the comments down below, and I'll read your guys' comments, and I'll see what I could do to help your situation. Anyway, thanks for joining me in this like really short video because I just figured out how to do this and I wanted to show because I didn't look at a video, it was in a comment of a video. So I wanted to make a video about it so people actually know, they don't have to look in the comments. Anyway, that's going to be the end of this video. Smash the like for more tips, I guess, and subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.